Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to upgrade our Google Analytics property from Universal Analytics to Google Analytics 4. So as you can see here, Universal Analytics will no longer process new data standard properties beginning July 1, 2023. Prepare now by setting up and switching over to a Google Analytics 4 property. So this is still the Universal Analytics. So to change or upgrade, so this is my just go here to the admin section and then click on the GA4 Analytics for Property Setup Assistant. You tell you know how to join. Okay, so get started, click on that one and create property. Okay, so it's now connected. Okay, now that we have upgraded to Google Analytics 4 property, what we are going to do now is install the new tag. So just click on this one, go to data streams and then add new on page tag. So click on this one. Like this is the open. Copy the global site tag into the header section of your HTML, or if you use a website builder such as Google. So just copy this one. So I'm going to show you my old tag in my website. So go to your website, then click on view page source or control U, and then let's try to find the analytics. So this is my old Google Analytics code. So as you can see here, it still uses UA, Universal Analytics. So we are going to replace that one, and it must be placed before the it must be placed inside the header tag. So as you can see, before the header tag is being closed, we can the Google Analytics is being added here, the code here. So you can just replace this code with the new Google Analytics tag. Google Analytics 4 tag. So that's how easy it is, guys, to upgrade from Universal Analytics to the Google Analytics 4 property. Thank you. Bye.